How to make money with good delivery gold bar. Lawsuits, merger battles, takeovers, layoffs, bankruptcies, and outright loss are what constitutes daily life at the Bank of America these days. Profit margins have fallen over 90% since 2006 and continue to do so. Of course, the crippled US government is going to further expose its bleeding financial throat with a $700 billion bailout. Everyone hears the headlines, but most fail to recognize what's driving them. Besides Merrill Lynch being acquired by the Bank of America, aside from the fact that Goldman Sachs is teetering on total collapse, regardless that Washington Mutual is in ruins, there are also over 117 other banks listed as in trouble on the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation's list. It is time for the people to wake up and admit that depending on corporate giants in the U.S. government is killing us all, and not just financially. Are you aware that there is a better way to create your financial liberation? Are you aware that the Epic Wealth system is the highest converting program of its kind on the internet, and that it has been? The totally automated system at Epic Wealth can change the way that you think about your finances and about your life in general. The internet stands outside of the corruption and misinformation that controls the masses. The internet has been creating and continues to create more millionaires from real people like yourself than has ever been reported before. Epic Wealth system separates you from the poisoned scenarios that traditional slave job enforcers will have you believe. They do not care if you spend your entire life in corporate servitude only to be crushed into restitution at retirement time. You cannot trust a corrupt government and greedy corporate structures to take care of you and your family. You must embrace a new philosophy. You must embrace the profound leveraging power of the internet and the Epic Wealth system.